Thanks to the work of the Sports Commission, Columbus is recognized as a premier destination. You will be among the very first to see the Greater Columbus Sports Commission's new logo.
You're going to like this, you're going to enjoy it. We lose the ties and we open up our minds and we get some great insight. From 10 TV and the Ohio News Network, Bo Bishop is with us here this morning to do some interviews.
Well, last year you kind of mastered the art of getting these great blue guys and leaders and great players to stick around.
With Jared coming back, I've always said the day he came back, I became a better coach.
This guy pulled off the biggest trade maybe in the history of the franchise last week. General manager of the Columbus Blue Jackets, Scott Howson.
We completed a long journey and had a trade crystallized in acquiring Jeff Carter. We really are excited about Jeff.
Crew GM, Mark McCullers, here as well.
We brought Jeff Cunningham back this year. Jeff scored the first ever goal in Crew Stadium history. He's currently tied with Brian McBride for the all-time lead in goals with the Columbus Crew.
Our next guest is the general manager of the 2010 AAA Baseball National Champions, the Columbus Clippers. Give it up for Ken Schnake here this morning.
Currently, not only are we the reigning national champions of AAA baseball, we have the best record in professional baseball at all levels.
So please welcome the new head coach at The Ohio State University, Luke Fickell. At what point does it creep in your mind? August can't get here quick enough. What about next August? Where are you next August?
Hey, we have plans for the future, and that's the most important thing. But we aren't looking ahead of what we got in front of us right now, and those things will take care of themselves.
Was that the perfect answer?
I would expect nothing less.
September 30th of 2013, we'll have the President's Cup come to Columbus, Ohio. And for those of you who don't know what the President's Cup is, it is the international stars from Asia, from South America, from South Africa, Australia, and Canada playing against the U.S. stars. So it's the opposite of the Ryder Cup. Columbus in general is spectacular that time of year, and I know that Columbus and everyone in the region will support it, and we'll be able to put another great golf event on.
But we're currently still in the hunt to get the Olympic trials for weightlifting, and we're partnering with Jim Lorimer and his team at the Arnold Sports Festival. They have a strong history of the sport of weightlifting. We also have a bid in for a USA Volleyball event. We currently host, I think, 7 regional tournaments here at our convention center, but this is our first chance to bid on one of their really big national tournaments. It would actually represent over 40,000 hotel rooms over 10 days, a year from now, over July 4th.
We're going to get hockey heavy here this morning. We've got some greats here on hand, both past and present. I want to bring up to the stage right now the Columbus Blue Jackets play-by-play announcer, the television voice of the Columbus Blue Jackets, Jeff Rimmer.
I'll tell you what, we have an esteemed panel that I think you'll enjoy listening to.
Being a part of the All-Star Games, especially on television over the course of the last handful of years, the impact financially in the community would be gigantic. There's no doubt in my mind that the city and the people of Columbus and the Columbus Blue Jacket organization could do a wonderful job of doing it.
A lot of players get traded all the time. It's frustrating when you get the call. So Jeff's probably a little, frustrated leaving. But the good news is you're going to a city and a town and a team that really wants you.
What I heard from media, like you guys, was that he was upset about being traded to Columbus, but he couldn't stress more enough how excited he was to get to Columbus and find a place and start the season.
Thank you for coming here today. Once again, I'm Jeff Hogan. We will see you next year at the 2012 Morning Sports Report. Take care.